If you're setting up a Discord server right now, you've probably got two tabs open, MEE6 and CarlBot, and you're trying to figure out which one is actually worth adding to your server. Both are incredibly popular, both have millions of servers using them, and both promise moderation, automation, reaction roles, leveling, and a whole list of features. But once you start comparing them, things get confusing pretty quickly. I've used both on real Discord servers, and after testing almost every major feature, I've noticed that each bot is built for a completely different type of server. So instead of saying one bot is simply better, I'm going to compare them category by category: moderation, leveling, reaction roles, logging, customization, pricing, and everything in between. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your server. Let's start with the feature that matters most for almost every Discord community. Number 1, ease of setup. Before we compare features, let's talk about something that most videos completely ignore: how easy these bots are to set up, because the best bot in the world isn't very useful if it takes 3 hours to configure. MEE6 has always focused on simplicity. After inviting it to your server, the dashboard is clean, modern, and beginner-friendly. Almost every feature can be enabled with a few clicks, and you rarely need to read documentation. Even if you've never managed a Discord server before, you'll probably feel comfortable within a few minutes. CarlBot is a different experience. The dashboard gives you far more options, but that also means you'll spend more time learning where everything is. Some settings are hidden behind separate modules, others require understanding how Discord permissions work, and a few features need additional configuration before they start working. That extra complexity isn't a bad thing. It simply reflects what CarlBot is designed for. If your goal is to launch a server today with minimal effort, ME6 gets you there faster. If you're building a community that you plan to grow over months or even years, spending a little more time learning CarlBot often pays off later. So for beginners, ME6 wins this category. Number 2, moderation. Now let's move on to moderation, because this is the main reason most people install a Discord bot. ME6 makes moderation incredibly straightforward. You can enable spam protection, blocked words, excessive mention detection, link filtering, and automatic punishments like warnings, mutes, kicks, or bans using simple toggles. Everything is organized logically, making it easy to understand exactly what each option does. For smaller communities, that's often more than enough. CarlBot, however, approaches moderation very differently. Instead of giving you a handful of preset options, it gives you the tools to build moderation around your own server rules. You can combine multiple conditions, create more advanced AutoMod behavior, customize punishment durations, fine-tune exceptions for specific roles, and create moderation systems that behave differently depending on the situation. This becomes especially useful once your server starts growing. Imagine a gaming community with thousands of members. Maybe moderators want trusted members to bypass certain filters. Maybe staff members shouldn't trigger spam detection. Maybe specific channels need different moderation rules. CarlBot makes all of that possible. That flexibility comes with a learning curve, but it's also why so many larger communities rely on it. If you need moderation running in 5 minutes, ME6 is hard to beat. If you want moderation that grows with your community instead of limiting it, CarlBot clearly takes this round. Number 3, leveling and community engagement. If there's one feature that made ME6 famous, it's the leveling system. Even today, it's one of the cleanest and easiest XP systems available. Members earn XP by chatting, level up automatically, unlock rewards, and receive attractive level up messages that encourage more participation. It's simple, polished, and surprisingly effective at keeping communities active. For gaming servers, fan communities, creator servers, and friend groups, this feature alone can noticeably increase daily activity. CarlBot also includes leveling. It works. It tracks XP, it assigns rewards, but it never feels like the centerpiece of the bot. The interface isn't quite as polished, and the overall experience feels more functional than engaging. If your primary goal is increasing community activity through leveling, ME6 remains one of the best options available. This category isn't particularly close. MEE6 wins. Number 4, reaction roles. Now we reach the category where CarlBot has built its reputation: reaction roles. If your server only has 2 or 3 roles, both bots will work perfectly fine. But once your server starts growing, the differences become obvious. Carlbot allows you to create multiple role menus, organize dozens of selectable roles, build drop-down menus, create category-based role systems, and give members an incredibly smooth onboarding experience. Imagine someone joining your server. Instead of asking moderators for roles, they simply choose their platform, favorite games, pronouns, region, notification preferences, and interests, all within a few seconds. Everything happens automatically. That's why so many large gaming communities use Carlbot. MEE6 supports reaction roles as well, but the feature feels much more limited once your server becomes more complex. For simple communities, it's perfectly adequate. For larger communities with lots of self-assignable roles, Carlbot saves an incredible amount of time. This is one of Carlbot's strongest features. Number 5, custom commands. Another area where Carlbot really shines is custom commands. This feature allows you to automate repetitive tasks without writing code. Need a command that explains server rules? Create one. Need an FAQ command? Easy. Need commands for support links, social media, application forms, partnership information, or moderator guidelines? Carlbot handles all of it. You can even create commands that respond differently depending on the situation. MEE6 also offers custom commands, but they're generally simpler and more limited. For many small servers, that's completely fine. But if automation is a major part of your community, Carlbot gives you significantly more flexibility. Number 6, logging and server management. Server logging isn't exciting until something goes wrong. Someone deletes messages, a moderator accidentally removes a role, channels disappear, members claim they never said something. That's where detailed logs become incredibly valuable. Carlbot gives you extensive logging options, message edits, deleted messages, role changes, nickname updates, voice activity channel changes, moderation actions, join and leave events. You can even separate different log types into different channels, making moderation much easier. MEE6 covers the basics. You'll still get useful logs, but if you're managing a larger community with multiple moderators, Carlbot provides much better visibility into everything happening on the server. This is another clear win for Carlbot. Number 7, performance and reliability. One thing people rarely talk about is reliability, because the most feature-rich bot isn't very useful if it's constantly offline. Fortunately, both ME6 and Carlbot have been around for years and are generally very stable. Commands execute quickly. Reaction roles respond almost instantly. Moderation actions happen within seconds. For the average Discord server, you probably won't notice a meaningful performance difference between them. The biggest difference isn't speed, it's consistency in how each bot is designed. ME6 focuses on simplicity. Carlbot focuses on flexibility. Neither bot has a significant advantage when it comes to everyday reliability. Number 8, premium pricing. Let's talk about pricing. Both bots offer free plans that are perfectly usable. If you're running a small or medium-sized server, you may never need to upgrade. MEE6 Premium expands moderation options, unlocks more leveling customization, and adds additional quality of life features. Carlbot Premium focuses more on increasing command limits, automation capacity, and advanced configuration options. Neither subscription is particularly expensive. The real question is what you're paying for. If your server revolves around leveling and engagement, ME6 Premium makes sense. If your server depends on automation and customization, Carlbot Premium usually provides more value. Number 9. Which bot should you choose? Here's where most comparison videos oversimplify things. They declare one bot the winner and move on. But that's not how Discord communities work. If you're building a private server for friends, a small gaming group, or a creator community where you mainly want leveling and simple moderation, MEE6 is probably the better choice. It's quick to configure, easy to maintain, and requires almost no learning curve. But if you're building a public Discord server, a competitive gaming community, a support server, a marketplace, or any server you expect to grow into thousands of members, Carlbot becomes much harder to ignore. The deeper customization, advanced reaction roles, detailed logging, and automation features simply scale better as your community grows. That's why you'll see Carlbot used in so many larger Discord servers. Hash a final verdict. So what's the final answer? If you want the fastest setup, an excellent leveling system, and straightforward moderation, ME6 is still one of the best Discord bots you can install. But if you're looking for long-term flexibility, advanced automation, powerful reaction roles, detailed logging, and complete control over how your server operates, CarlBot is the bot I'd personally recommend. It takes a little longer to learn, but once everything is configured, it's incredibly powerful.